Hi, and welcome to the Goldstone Financial Group's daily broadcast podcast. What do you think the biggest mistake that people, when they're thinking about their retirement planning, what would be the biggest mistake that they could possibly do? Just not taking it seriously enough, that thinking it'll take care of itself, or thinking I'm not going to live that long to really be concerned about it? Or
I think both of those. I think one of them is some people have allocations set up, maybe from years ago, right? And as time's gone on over a 5-year, 10-year, 15-year, we all know how fast 10 years can fly, right? Mm-hmm. So next thing you know, 10, 15 years goes by and they didn't make a lot of adjustments with their accounts. And what can 15 years be? 15 years could be the difference between a 50 and 65-year-old, right? Mm-hmm. 55 and 70. And those are crucial ages to really pay attention to what your financial plan looks like. And sometimes we just kind of set it, forget it. I mean, you're watching it, but maybe the allocations haven't changed much. I think the other part of that, Bob, is accurate. You gave the example long ago. Who is it, Mickey Rooney?
Yeah.
But didn't he give the example, and didn't he say, I never thought I'd live this long? Remember what happened to his financial situation?
He was selling autographs to exist. So, yeah, being proactive, being smart about it instead of waiting. The Goldstone Financial Group is ready to help you develop your retirement plans. Simply call 630-620-9300. That's 630-620-9300. This podcast is a presentation of the Goldstone Financial Group. I'm Bob Brinson. Thank you for listening.